Sreenidhi of grade 10th, I feel enthusiastic to welcome you all to the Paramita TED Talk. We human beings learn from our surroundings. Mother is a whole and soul teacher from infants. Father contributes in our learning. Relatives, friends, neighbors and so on. But we take everything for granted. Even today, I am talking here because from infants to till date, all the human beings have contributed to my talk. Imagine that you were lost in a forest after your birth and you were taken care by the forest animals till 25 years. Could you speak like a human? No, but you could do sounds like animals as they do. In this world, everything teaches us something. For instance, we watch movies. Not all, but few movies teach us about lesson of life. Audience, how many of you learn from them? Very few, I'm sure about it. Even today, I'm here to share that how cartoons are shaping my life and how they are building my life. And after my presentation, you all will agree that even cartoons shape my life and shape your life and they affect positively on your behavior and finally teach a lesson of life. I know watching cartoons at this age is an annoying thing, but why should I stop myself when the world is ready to teach me through many ways? Yes, generally we feel cartoons are for fun and entertainment, but remember that cartoons are also for motivation and encouragement. Every day after leaving my school, I just rush into my home only to not to miss my favorite cartoon. And if it is a holiday or a Sunday, I just dedicate my whole day for watching cartoons. Because whenever I watch cartoons, I just enlighten myself by learning lot many things. Let me start with my favorite cartoon, Mr. Bean. All the time we see Mr. Bean as a crazy, funny and annoying person who have a unique character which may be liked or disliked by the people around him. But remember that Mr. Bean was never disappointed or unhappy for the way he was. This is what we need to learn in our life. Never ever be disappointed for the way you are. The world is there to judge you, but the thing you need to do is believe in yourself and be yourself. I repeat it, believe in yourself and be yourself. Because you are born to be awesome, but not to be perfect, and you are the only one of you, and that's the fun of you. Let me move on to the ever smiling hero of Dholakpur, Chota Bheem. All the time we see Chota Bheem as a positive character who spread positivity through his smile. No matter how hard the situation is, but he never misses a smile on his face. This is what we need to learn. Smile is the most valuable 5-letter word. But why are we losing a permanent smile for the temporary problems? Problems and difficulties are always on their duty. They just come and go like a storm in the sea. As we don't like storm, even we don't like problems. But never let the problems destroy your inner peace. Be strong and fight against all the problems. With a smiling face, let us discuss about a good friendship. Whenever we think of a good friendship, we just remember two characters. One is Tom and the other is Jerry. Tom and Jerry are the good friends who share a unique bond, and that is friendship. The first thing Tom and Jerry teach us about a good relation, and that is friendship. Tom and Jerry share a unique bond among them, friendship. They fight all the time, but at the end of the cartoon, they just come together and completes the cartoon. Even our life look the same. We fight with lot many people around us, but when we come together, when we unite, then our life get completes. The next thing Tom and Jerry taught me about, size doesn't matter. We know Jerry looks too small compared to Tom, but Jerry play with a high intelligence and determination and win against Tom. Here it shows that our size doesn't matter. The only thing matter is your determination, your understanding and the behavior of you. And let me discuss, I say that even I advise our politicians also to watch cartoons for the better unity among them. I know technology has been increased, lot many new cartoons has been come, but I never forget my childhood favorite cartoon, that is Scooby-Dooby. Scooby have lot many friends around him, but he was unique for the only fact that he have come across all the difficulties he have. This is what we need to learn in our life. coming across our difficulties, and it happens easy when our friends are with us. Let me discuss about another favorite cartoon, and it may be your favorite cartoon too. Most of the adults who are in front of me might have seen this cartoon, and that cartoon is Jungle Book, and Mowgli might have been your superhero on those days. This beautiful cartoon is relevant to the present situation, where we are not caring about the biodiversity, where we are not caring about the animals and about the environment. In this beautiful cartoon, a boy named Mowgli lives with animals by protecting them and being protected by them. By watching this cartoon, children can understand the coexistence of human and mankind. They can also know that animals are not cruel as they are projected. Finally, they can say that lion and tiger only hunt when they are hungry, but not like human beings killing each other unnecessarily. And I hope Sir R.K. Narayan need not to come here to explain about this concept, where you can learn more about this by watching this cartoon. Dear adults, please don't stop your children from watching cartoons, but sit with them, watch it with them, and teach them what to be learned from each cartoon. I know watching cartoons is somewhat different, but they teach us lot many things. They shape our personality. Children obviously understand if you teach good in cartoons, because they try to imitate their own favorite cartoon character. So understand them, top their curiosity. Thank you, thank you, thank you.